Hi guys, thanks for joining me once again. This is habit number 8 of successful trading. These are the habits that the successful traders employ daily in order to trade profitably in the markets. And this is a simple one today. It's a really simple one and it's a really important one, a really important aspect to trading in general. So the habit number 8, component number 8 to successful trading that we're going to discuss in this video is that you should keep accurate and detailed records of your trades. And I mentioned this to all of the traders that I coach and train, keep the details of your trades either in a paper book or on a spreadsheet. Some of them listen to me and some of them unfortunately don't. And the ones that do listen to me and that keep the detailed records tend to go on and make successful traders, trade for a living, build wealth and income for themselves. And the ones that don't, the results are variable, but in general, let's just say that there is a direct correlation, and I see it daily and weekly within my clients' portfolios. There is a direct correlation between keeping accurate and detailed records and success in trading. So I'd encourage you to do it. And I'm going to explain in this video what records you need to keep and the benefits of doing it and how to do it as well. So stay tuned. You need to know whether you've got a verifiable edge over the market. And the only way of knowing this is to make consistent trading decisions and to record the details of your trades. And this will help you when you look back over your trades, and it'll help you in a couple of ways. And firstly, you can assess how closely you've actually traded compared to your trading plan. Secondly, you can break your trades down into types. The brain loves typing things, it loves putting things in boxes, and you can put your trades and categorise your trades, put them into boxes, put them into types and order them according to market conditions and trade setups so that you can make decisions over optimising your system in order to gradually improve your results. So, what trading system details should you be familiar with? Well, good traders know their win percentage. For each type of trade that they take, they can tell me what type of market conditions the type of trades that we're talking about work in, and they can explain the differing percentage win rate of their trades depending on the various market conditions. And anyway, let's simplify things, because all traders should start by trading minimum position size. Until you become profitable, you need to be trading minimum position size. And once you've got a set of results and a set of stats from trades that you've taken over a period of time, then you can actually verify whether or not your system has an edge over the markets. And once you are trading that system consistently and profitably, then you can start increasing your position size per trade. And you can start scaling up your business, your trading business, and you can start making some real money. And you should also know your gain per trade, and that is, given your position size, how much would you win on average per trade? How much would you win on average per trade? Taking into consideration your wins and your losses, what is the positive expectation that you have in numeric terms for each trade? Here's an example of some stats from one of my trading systems. So, for example, with this system, it currently has a win rate of 2.66 points on average per trade. How do I get to that figure? Well, it's based on, these figures are based on trades at a position size of £50 a point, and the average win per trade is £116 and 3 pence per trade. So this is based on 472 trades, which is a large number of trades, which is good, and it includes 295 winners and 177 losers. And this system's got an overall win rate of 62.5%, a total gain
of £54,765 over a 100,000 unit period, which is 100,000 minutes or about 3 months, based on my 1 minute candlestick trading system. And these are the basic figures that you should be looking to record. You should also be able to look back at your trades for the day, the week, the month, and easily pick them out on your chart. And some broker trading software systems have this facility built into them, which is really useful. And this type of functionality allows you to scroll back on your charts to view where you entered and exited each trade. And it allows you to see where you executed the trade perfectly and where you may have made a mistake. Trading's always easier mentally when you know that you've got a profitable system and all you have to do is concentrate on trading correctly in line with your system. If you have a winning day, then that's all part of a bigger picture, and even a losing day can be viewed as a step towards the end result. And it also means that when you're thinking of tweaking your system, you can look back on past trades to see what impact the changes would have had. I recommend putting all of your trade data into a spreadsheet and just record your trade entries, what market level did you enter the trade at, and your trade exits, what level did you exit at. And that'll give you your P&L for each individual trade. And include a brief description in your notes, brief description of the trade, what went well, what didn't go so well with the trade, etc. How well did you follow your system, what sort of triggers did you have for your system, which ducks, doing the duck test, which ducks were sitting in line telling you the same things, what confluence did you have, what context did you have for your trades. And this is the way to improve. Trading is a constant process of improvement. Anthony Robbins used to say, constant and never-ending improvement. And I love that phrase. So rate each trade on your spreadsheet or your notes according to how well you executed it. Record that data too. You may never have a day when you get 5 out of 5 or you score yourself 5 out of 5 for every trade, but it's something to strive for. It takes the focus away from the money aspect and towards improving your trading actions and reactions. Record this data too, and then you can look back and see where you've improved over time. When you've got a set of results, you can see your results improving. That'll give you encouragement, it'll give you confidence.
So I'd encourage you, as I've said, to keep accurate and detailed records of your trades. And notice, as I say that, and as you're listening to me, just notice how you respond internally to this suggestion or this request, if you like. Notice how you respond, because, the body, the brain especially, is designed to avoid pain. Okay, if you're losing money or you're just about breaking even on your trading, then you may get some inner resistance. You may feel some inner resistance to keeping accurate and detailed records of your trades. And that's a natural instinct. We move away from pain, we move towards pleasure. And it's the same thing that I saw when I was in sales management, in financial services. I was in sales management. My top salespeople loved looking at their sales figures, and the less successful salespeople, they just didn't want to talk about the figures at all. And it's the same thing. And the thing is that this is a self-sabotage system that we have internally, because the only way to get better is to learn from our mistakes. Learn from our mistakes, optimise, optimise, optimise. So I hope that you've found this useful. Break through any resistance that you've got to doing it. Make a commitment to yourself to do this today. Build your spreadsheet, or at least put some headings on your spreadsheet. Get a couple of calculations in there, or set up a table in a notepad and commit to recording the details that we've talked about in this video for every trade that you take from now going forward, and I promise you that it will repay you 1,000-fold over the term of your trading career. My name's Anthony Beardsall. Thanks ever so much for joining me once again, and I look forward to taking you through the 9th component out of 10 for successful trading in the next video. If you've got any comments, please leave them below, and I look forward to you joining me on the next one. Bye for now.